Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'll be doing an unboxing of a DranBrave 660. Does it say V? I only have this in my collection. Now I can actually put your combo together because I'm still doing that tournament, but yeah. This is the TT version. It's been a while. I'm very backed up. I need to get more of the TT stuff. Just been too lazy. It's been too expensive with the tax. The shit that's going on with importing things and everything like that. Here's the ratchet and nothing, just launchers, a ripcord launcher, so that being a ripcord. I'm definitely not. Okay. Oh, damn. One. There we go. Yeah. There's the ratchet. And there he is. Let me switch it around. There he is. The big hitter, the 660. There we go, and the Victor, or yeah, definitely fun to have in the collection. Definitely can't wait to do more of his stuff. Technically, this would be right here for the Hasbro, but don't have the Hasbro yet. Hopefully, I can get the Hasbro soon. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.